Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can withdraw your money from Binance since Binance has been banned in Nigeria. Okay, so before I go into that, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do well to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos. And also do not forget, turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop any helpful or amazing video of this very kind, it will get to you immediately. Okay, so all you just need to do, make sure you have these verified accounts, and go to your funding wallets. And the next thing that you just need to do is to plan on how to withdraw. Okay, if you are taking this from your spot wallet, click on spot. And if you're taking it from your funding wallet, don't forget, click on funding wallet. Okay, so this is the Binance. You click on wallets. So after clicking on wallet, you click on fund if your fund is in the funding, and you click on spot if your fund is in the spot. Okay, so the next thing you just need to do is to click on withdraw. Okay, if you click on withdraw, you make your choice. Where is it? Is it in USDT or in others? So now let's go to bybit. We're here on bybit. All you just need to do is to go to your assets, deposit, and click on deposit. So click on deposit. So after clicking on deposit, the next thing your mind should go to is how to get out your wallet address. Okay, so you can see, first you come to this place, click on withdraw. If you click on withdraw, it will now take you to a space where you can paste your wallet address from the Bybit, because you are using Bybit right away. So we'll go to Bybit now. Click. You can see the address. This wallet address is where you can paste your wallet, the wallet that we're going to copy from the Bybit. And the network, make sure you choose the network TRC20, which is the Tron, and insert the volume of the USDT here. Okay, so let's go to Bybit. Click on deposit in order for us to get the wallet address. So after clicking on deposit, you click on deposit crypto, which is the last one. Click on deposit crypto to copy the wallet address. Okay, so we are here. In this place, you choose the preferred coin of your choice. Case study today is the USDT, so we'll look for the USDT now. Click on it to get the Tron wallet address. Okay, so where is it? Okay, and you choose the TRC20. Don't forget, the Tron is what we're going to use. So click on TRC20. Clicking on the TRC20 to bring you to this interface, all you just need to do is to copy the address, or you click on this little sign box to copy the wallet address. So if you copy the wallet address, the next thing you just need to do is to take it to Binance for withdrawal submission. Okay, so click on copy address to copy the wallet address. Okay, make sure it's TRC20 as I said. Okay, make sure it's TRC20. Click on copy, and you copy the address. So the moment you copy the address, you go to Binance. If you go to Binance, you paste it on the wallet address. Look at you long press to paste it. Long press, paste. The wallet address now is being pasted, right? So the next thing that you just need to do is to choose your network, which I said is a TRC20. So let's go ahead to choose our network. Okay. This guy disturbing me to call. Hold on. So as I said, you copy here and take it there. Don't forget. So taking it there now is what we're going to do currently right now. So having pasted in the wallet address, we choose your TRC20. Choose the first one, which is a Tron. So on this very place, there is going to be $1 charges attached. So you should be ready to pay that. Okay, you put your volume here. So the minimum volume that you can transfer here is 10 USDT. Okay, let's say we're going to transfer 11 USDT. Insert 11. Is that 12? Sorry. So if you insert 12, we are going to receive 11 USDT after some minutes. Okay, so this will take like a few minutes for it to arrive at your bybit wallet. Okay, so this is the process is very simple. All you just need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end, like the video, and as well share the video. Do not forget also to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any content, any useful content of this very nature, it will get to you immediately. Okay, so if you do have any question, do not forget to drop it at the comment section and I will get to you ASAP. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.